Now, the course is all about getting you started on your way to having a successful online business. The methods I'm offering you have been used over and over by me, my friends, and my students to create a steady online income. Now, this business is hard to get started in, and if you don't have a proper guide, you will almost certainly fail. Now, what I will give you is a no bullshit, step-by-step, sure-to-work course that contains only the techniques I myself use to make money online. Also, the methods I teach anybody can use and apply. And I really do mean anybody. They're 100% foolproof. So, as you can see, it doesn't matter if you're a newbie or if you're someone with a lot of experience. Now, my methods have already been proven and tested in the field, and I want you to try them out, and I guarantee you that you will not be sorry. Now, it works for me, so there is no reason why it shouldn't work for you. But you have to put in the hours and follow my steps and have patience. So in this course, I want to teach you exactly how you can benefit from my strategies and avoid the trial and error that I went through. Okay, so enough talking, it's time to get started. So open the next video, and I hope to see you there.